how to add an announcement bar in Wix. So here I'm inside your Wix website editor, and from the left hand side we want to click on add elements, and then we want to go to box. Once we have selected box, choose hover boxes, and here you can see we have this announcement bar which becomes bigger or zooms in when we hover over it. You can also choose a different design from these right here, or you can make your own, but I'm going to do this one for the sake of this tutorial. So I will simply drag and drop it here. So here we can change the text to wherever we want. So we can do announcement, and then we can also customize the second part of the text here to our liking. So now we can do free shipping. So let's say this is our announcement. What else can we do? We can actually click on the background itself and we can change the image. So we make it something more eye-catching for an example, or as an example. So right here, this can be our background. We can also make it red or something else, some color that actually catches your attention. And then we can also customize it to our liking. So this becomes our announcement bar here. And if people hover over it, then it will zoom in and it will catch their attention. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.